Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, running boards, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.